Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little kitchen filled with yummy smells, lived a young chef named Ari. Ari had bright, curious eyes and a smile as warm as a freshly baked cookie. His grandma, a kind lady with twinkling eyes and hair like spun silver, made the most delicious Nasi Lemak in the whole wide world. Nasi Lemak is a special rice dish with a lovely coconut scent, served with crispy anchovies, crunchy peanuts, a sweet and spicy sambal, and a yummy egg. Ari loved helping Grandma in the kitchen. He would wear his little white chef hat and a colorful apron. He'd stir the pots, wash the vegetables, and always ask Grandma, "What's your secret to making such yummy Nasi Lemak, Grandma?" Grandma would just giggle, her eyes sparkling like morning stars, and say, "Ah, that's my little secret." One sunny morning, Grandma wasn't feeling too well. Ari wanted to make Nasi Lemak for her to cheer her up. He remembered all the ingredients Grandma used: fragrant rice, creamy coconut milk, pandan leaves that smelled like sweet flowers, and a tiny pinch of salt. He carefully put them all in a pot, just like Grandma did. He stirred and stirred, waiting for the magic to happen. But when Ari tasted the rice, it didn't taste quite like Grandma's. It was missing something special. He sat down, feeling a little sad, his brow furrowed like a tiny caterpillar. Suddenly, he remembered something. Every time Grandma cooked Nasi Lemak, she would hum a happy little tune. It was a sweet, gentle melody that made everyone in the kitchen feel warm and fuzzy inside. Ari started to hum the same happy song. He stirred the rice gently, his little voice singing the sweet melody, the kitchen filled with the cheerful sound. He took another taste of the rice. His eyes widened in surprise. It tasted just like Grandma's Nasi Lemak. The secret ingredient wasn't a spice at all. It was the happy song. Ari carefully plated the Nasi Lemak, adding the crispy anchovies that looked like tiny silver fishes, the crunchy peanuts that were like little brown stones, a dollop of sweet and spicy sambal that smelled so yummy, and a perfectly cooked egg that was as round and yellow as the sun. He carried the plate to Grandma, who was resting on a comfy armchair near a window, looking out at a garden filled with colorful flowers. Grandma's eyes lit up when she saw the Nasi Lemak. She took a bite and smiled. "Ari, this is wonderful. It tastes just like mine." Ari beamed with pride and told her about the secret ingredient, the happy song. Grandma chuckled and pulled Ari into a warm hug. "You're right, my dear. Cooking with happiness makes everything taste better." From that day on, Ari always sang a happy song whenever he cooked. He learned that even though recipes are important, doing things with joy and love makes them even more special. And sometimes, the best ingredients are the happy feelings we put into what we do. Did you know that singing can make you feel happy because it releases good feeling chemicals in your brain? So the next time you do something, try doing it with a happy heart.
Please subscribe. Thank you.